Today we're going to play the Yahtzee game on our cell phone. We just downloaded this from the Play Store. Seems like a fun little game. I used to play it with real dice. Okay, here we are. There's our icon right there. SNG Studios, Unity. Yahtzee, there we go. Play, rooms. So you've already been playing a little bit, so you can play solo or you can play against the computer. You can bet on how much you win. I think I'll bet a little bit. About 50. Here we are. Click the roll button. What did I hit? 2 aces, 2 ones. Let's hit them. Let's say there's another one. Well, we got our 3 ones, so click up there, right there where it said 3. There's 3s. Let's save them. Uh-oh, we didn't hit our 3s, did we? Put it on the chance right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2s. Pair of 5s. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a small straight, isn't it? Where is it? Yeah, right there. 2 6s. Oh, got my third 6. Okay. Pair of 5s. Ooh, look at there, Yatzee. There's a full house. Four 3s. That'll help me in case I don't make the 2s. Ooh, there's 4 of a kind. Ooh, there's 2 more 5s. Good. Not a full house, but I can't take it. I'll take the 5s. Need a 2. Oh, look at there. Big straight. I still need 2s and 4s. 3 of a kind. I go 3 of a kind. Looky there. 4 of them. Alright, there's my 3 of a kind. I need 2s and 4s. Uh-oh. Didn't make it, did we? Yeah. We got 2 there. We need 4s. There's 2 of them. There's my other 4. There we are. You can rate them now or later. I'll do it later. There's my points. You won. You can play this against the computer also, or actually the cell phone in this case. There we are, back to the screen. Settings, player. Alright. There's some of what we can do. I think we're going to go back to the phone here. Would you like to try another game? Not right now, I don't think. With the game, yes. All right, back to the cell phone. There we are. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.